Welcome to my channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the Mercedes S-Class insert, and believe me, you've never seen it like this before. From the very first moment, it grabs your attention with its futuristic design and unmatched elegance. The insert showcases Mercedes' dedication to innovation. Every line, every curve is crafted to perfection, making it not just a car, but a statement of luxury. The signature detailing and modern touches give it a commanding presence that feels far ahead of its time. Step inside, and the experience becomes even more breathtaking. The technology, the comfort, and the atmosphere redefine what it means to travel in style. Every button, every display, and every feature is designed to make you feel like you're in a world of your own. This isn't just about driving, it's about experiencing the future of automotive luxury today. The Mercedes S-Class insert proves, once again, why this brand stands at the very top. Would you like me to write separate versions of this script for front view, backside, and dashboard individually so each video has a unique flow?